E weche maok e counties makalo en Jakom duond od bura mar ODM e county ma Migori mano Philip Makabong'o kaachiel kod nywadgi mar Jubilee Nelson Marwa okwayo jatend pinyowacho Uhuru Kenyatta mondo oketh county assembly ma Migori kuom tiyo ataro kod pend chike mapachokae. Makabong'o ne ochayo mokalo pinyowacho mar county ma Migori kuom tiyo marach kod omenda mag jopiny kar chwalo ne oganda dongruok. Ne gikwayo jatend pinyowacho Uhuru Kenyatta mondo okony oganda mawuok e county ma Migori kuom wuoyo tend county no.
Today we have come here as a team. The main parties in Migori is Jubilee and ODM party. There have been several things we are observing which are not very good, and it's not good for the development of this county. Following the unfolding events at the Migori County Assembly, the following has been observed of late. 1. Corruption at its peak in the Assembly as alleged below. A. Unauthorized withdrawal amounting to Kenya shillings 75 million by an individual and procedural. B. Whipping of Assembly members to Tanzania for a budget meeting which should have been in Kenya, specifically in Migori County, resulting in misuse of public fund over 10 Kenya shillings million. C. Closing of county assembly without the laid down procedure and standing orders. From the above allegations, we strongly condemn the acts perpetrated by some assembly members, and action must be taken against the suspects. We therefore pray that the assembly to urgently restore the conduct of the House to eliminate the impunity of the highest order being observed in the Assembly. In conclusion, on failure by the Migori County Assembly members to restore their previous glory, we will request His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta to disband the current Assembly and replace it with a commission to run the Assembly for the good of Migori people.
I am the chairman of Jubilee Party in Migori County. Following the handshake by our party leader, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta.
But our handshake is for the sake of development, the sake of peace. And that is why we feel when we join together, we do things together, nothing will beat us or will defeat us. As we talk now, we have been united. Even in BBI, we have been together. I'm the chair and is the deputy. And things worked so well in Migori because of Jubilee handshaking with ODM.
Raila Amolo Odinga, we have also united at the level of the county. Whatever has been observed by the ODM party, Jubilee party is part of it. And we side with them. So this is a joint agreement that was given openly without any prejudice over them. In Migori, we have Jubilee as minority and ODM as majority. So once majority has joined with the minority, then there is nothing wrong. It is in that capacity that we are in. Yes, because we represent the whole of Migori. Yes.